This is the 6th video in our van build series, Flooring Installation. So we've fit everything to get the mattress on, but before we install the top bits, we want to get the flooring installed. Initially, our plan was to use some leftover hardwood flooring from the house. We didn't budget anything for flooring because we thought that would work. The more we've thought about it, the more we thought that was a bad idea. So we have decided to go with vinyl self-stick tiles. And we're going to install those the whole length of the floor, not into the actual like compartment, like driving compartment, but all the way back in the actual living compartment. And they're pretty cool looking. There were a few reasons that we chose to do vinyl over the hardwood. The first is that we've decided that the hardwood we have in our house is absolute junk. It scratches like crazy, it chips, it's just not good stuff, and it definitely wouldn't hold up to what we're planning to use in the van. Number 2, I kind of changed my mind on what I wanted the colors to be. I really think that I wanted to go a lot lighter, and the dark hardwood we had just wasn't going to fit. And number 3, after a couple massive, difficult projects, we just wanted something easy.
We're going to start the row of tiles in front of the cabinet, and along the line I'm going to scribe along the floor. That way, so when you walk into the van, you immediately see a full set of tiles rather than seeing like a little sliver of a tile or like a half tile or quarter tile if we started at like an edge. Laying out a course width-wise, just to double check and make sure that we're not, and we're going to be okay here. We're not going to end up like a sliver of a tile by the door or something like that. A half tile, totally acceptable. Doesn't say anything about offsetting.
Okay.
Actually, in the picture it shows them just
Right next to each other.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Is there any reason you could think we shouldn't do that?
Nope.
So we're gonna mark it on the top, and then we're going to
Cut it with utility blade.
cut it with utility blade.
Slap it down.
Okay, let's try it.